Hey Aquarius, welcome to your weekend read for June 9th through June 12th. So this is just the next 4 days. We have Venus conjunct Uranus and Taurus this weekend. We just had the 6-6 portal last Monday. Okay, so this weekend for Aquarius, what are we beginning with? This is a tough week for everyone, it seems. It's like a couple signs that are doing okay. You're working your way through something really stressful as a way to maybe definitely distract from some pain, from some ending, from something that's just uncomfortable. Okay, more about this for Aquarius. This could have to do with an imbalanced relationship. I'm not sure. There's the same words. Either way, you want to maintain your composure and your nonchalantness. And I think, yeah, you're working through something, but not in the way that, you're working through it. You're working through it to avoid it. Okay, Knight of Coins and 10 of Coins. So money is on your mind. This work situation, this relationship, whatever it is really on the forefront of your mind. Money is in the forefront of your mind. And I think you're still deciding how you feel. And in the meantime, it's stressing you out because you don't know what to perhaps make of it. Okay, I know it's getting a little big, so I'm gonna keep shuffling. Make sure we have space. All right, Aquarius, what's coming through for you? We have, okay, home. You might be stressed about home and doing all you can to, you're doing a lot. What are you working so hard for? I think you think what you want to achieve in this situation is requiring more work than it actually is requiring. Okay, I hope you got that. That cape took a second to come out. Alright, what about this home? That's exactly what I wanted to know. Okay, we have the Devil in reverse and the Four of Swords in reverse. Some of you are not getting enough sleep. Damn, Aquarius, this is kind of I guess I'm not surprised, but I just hope that this message makes sense in the end, okay? Yeah, I do think that you're maybe excited / stressed about the same thing. There might be a little tension. Yeah, like to balance out. I don't mean to speak so slowly. I'm just like, you got a lot going on, Aquarius. So be careful of, like I said, imbalanced relationships. I think there could be just something that you've maybe overlooked. I think you've overlooked something. You're not quite as sharp as you usually are. So it's unlike you. But I think you are, like sleeping on something, or, the phrase. I mean, I don't think some of you are getting enough sleep. It might be just your situation at home. You might need to, move a TV out of your bedroom, or put some sounds on at night and like really prepare yourself for rest. Okay, where are we going with this? What does Aquarius need to know about this? Okay, yeah. So you have this connection to your past and to your future. And I think things are getting a little, like you're moving through so many timelines that you might not be processing fully. Okay, do you see how I'm sort of dragging out every word that I'm saying? Do you see how I'm sort of like lagging almost when I'm speaking up until this point? Like that's literally the energy that I'm getting for Aquarius right now. It's just like when you glitch, it's like a glitch. It's like a glimmering on a computer screen. You can read the information, but it's a little annoying because, it's just not working properly, right? I hope to God that makes sense. Yeah. Okay. So advice for this moving forward. Okay, we have the Sun in reverse again on the bottom of the deck, and then the Eight of Swords and the Ten of Swords. Okay, Aquarius, so because you guys are typically a certain way with your emotions, I think that you've convinced yourself that something doesn't hurt when it does indeed hurt. And I think moving out of the Eight of Swords, the Nine of Swords, the Ten of Swords, I mean, there's something that's coming to a whole completion. And I think you might not be ready for that. Because, like, this is sort of where you are, right? This was your first card, was the Swords, the Nine of Swords in reverse. I mean, that's not really a solution. That's more, I guess, of what wanted to come out for Aquarius this weekend. And we have the Queen of Cups, Three of Wands, and the King of Wands. Yeah, I think some of you are dealing with a third-party situation. Some of you might just naturally have other interests around. Yeah. That's just for some of you, okay? I mean, if it doesn't apply to you, don't go, causing a fight over a tarot reading from YouTube. But yeah, I think you just need to allow yourself space to process anything that you may need to process. One more card. Oh my gosh, are you serious? I said one, and you want to... Eight of Wands. I'm sorry if it's dark in here. Let's just blow through these. Okay, and then we'll do your yes or no question. Three of Coins. Yeah, you don't want people to get the impression that you're confused or that you don't know what you're doing, because that's just not who you want to be understood as. And there's definitely something that needs to come to an end, something you're moving forward. I don't think you're wrong to stack your money and work right now. I think it might be not such a bad coping mechanism for whatever it is that you're dealing with. Yeah, this is an opportunity to really acknowledge the Five of Coins, the Seven of Wands, in the Tower. I mean, this is a little chaotic, but I think you're going to come out on top. Yeah, this is a lot, Aquarius. You're going to have to tune back in when it's the Sagittarius full moon, okay? Because I'm interested to see how I can help you from here out. I don't feel like I'm giving you advice. I feel like, this is still like really, I feel like you might be giving yourself two less than desirable options right now, when really, like, you don't have to. You have a lot more than that. So, okay. Well, I hope your yes or no question gives you a little more clarity for this weekend. Let me know below if that made any kind of sense, because I know that was a little crazy. So if you need to pause, meditate right now, think of your yes or no question, please do so. And we'll be ready when you get back. Okay, so yes or no for Aquarius, June 9th through June 12th. All right, that's a yes. Thank you, Aquarius. I really hope that this reading helped you. If it did, hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below, like I said. And if you're feeling generous, share this video with someone you think would find some value in this. What else? If you like what we're doing here and you want to get notified every time I post, hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications. And I will see you soon. Bye, Aquarius.